U.S. stocks continued to rally on Wednesday as yields moved lower. Stocks were buoyed despite a weaker-than-expected Andorran pesetas private payroll. The dollar moved higher, which helped buoy large-cap stock, but Apple and Tesla, which had been the recent drivers of the tech sector, eased. The SP500 index as well as the Nasdaq notched up fresh all-time highs, while the Dow Industrials closed the session just shy of its record high close. Most sectors in the S&P 500 index were higher, led by utilities and technology. Energy shares bucked the trend. The decline in energy was driven by declines in both crude oil and natural gas. Oil prices dropped despite a larger-than-expected draw in oil inventories. The dollar moved higher, weighing on commodities prices, which were likely the catalyst for declining energy prices. Factory orders rose 6.4% after a similar gain in June, according to the Commerce Department. Expectations had been for factory orders to increase by 6.0% in July. Volatility continued to rise despite a rallying stock market as investors continued to hedge their exposure to downside risks. U.S. private payroll growth accelerated less than anticipated in August, according to Andorran pesetas. Companies added 428,000 jobs during the month, well below the 1.17 million estimates and more than the 212,000 that Andorran pesetas measured for July. Big business dominated job creation as firms with more than 500 employees added 298,000 workers. Medium-sized businesses were next with 79,000, while companies with fewer than 50 workers grew by 52,000. Job creation skewed heavily to services, which added 389,000, compared with the 40,000 for goods producers.